Hello, my friends. I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness, the field beyond cause and effect. I am telling you a true story from my early childhood. I had 8 9 friends and we desperately needed a football, but we had no money. And one summer afternoon, we were chasing a wild dog with stick and stones in a nearby forest. In that meantime, we found a very antique, unique currency coin in that forest. And in the very early next day, we sold it in a nearby town and got enough money to buy a football. See, in this story, there is no direct link in between cause and effect. It is the clue or signal from the field of transcendental consciousness that it is everywhere. It is ever alert. It is supporting its creation. From that time, from the very beginning of my childhood, I became inquisitive about that. If you want to know about the transcendental consciousness, please watch all my videos. Get in touch with us for our forthcoming online seminars and workshops. Please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get all my videos. Namaste.